Hi everybody, welcome to the 10th and final lesson of the Musical Monsters book. My name is Michael Stegner. In this lesson we're going to learn a couple new things. Mainly we're going to learn how to play two notes at the same time in the right hand and also two notes at the same time in the left hand. So we'll learn how to read and play those. Be sure and like and subscribe to the video and channel so you can see future updates. If you need a copy of the book, I'll put a link below. Good luck and have some fun with this. Let's take a look at the keyboard for a second. If you're playing do, re, mi like this, you can see that I'm doing what we've been doing all along. We're playing one note at a time, do, re, mi. Now, we haven't done this yet, but this group of song works on playing two notes at the same time. So what if we want to play do, re at the same time? It would sound like this. It's very different than one note. What if we want to play do, mi at the same time? That's the way it would sound and that's the way it would look. So why don't you repeat after me? Go ahead and play this do and re together. So ready? Let's do that together. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, now let's try do and mi together. Like that. 1, 2, ready, go. Notice how I play them at the same time and hold them out for a while. All right, so let's do re and mi. So re and mi at the same time. So it'll sound like that. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. And just hold that down. All right, so that might feel a little funny if you're not used to it. Let's do it in the bottom hand. So let's do do and re at the same time in the bottom hand. So it'll look like that. Ready? 1, 2, play and hold. All right, got it. All right, now let's play do and mi at the same time. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. And play and hold that. All right, so hopefully you're getting the hang of it. Now let's play re and mi at the same time. 1, 2, ready, go. Re and mi, just hold those out. All right, cool. So this is what we do on all of these songs. Now, when you have the do and mi, why don't we try that with both hands at the same time? 1, 2, play and hold. Okay, so when you're doing this, the do and the mi are stacked on top of each other on your music. So they're straight on top of each other. And then when you play do, re, let's do that with both hands. When you play do, re, those are so close together, they have to be like side by side and crunched together on the music. So those look a little different. So let's go ahead and try pass around. So the pass around, the top hand plays do, re, and then the bottom hand plays re, mi. And if you look at the music, there's something new. It looks like the squiggly little 3 or like a bird flying sideways. Those are rests. That means you rest for one count. So Zach, the way that Zach was one count, Zach silent is the rest. So if we wanted a rest, we'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, Zach, Zach. So the Zach that didn't have a clap was quiet. So let's look at pass around. So do, re in the top hand, and then re, mi in the bottom hand. So they kind of like talk to each other. Top hand says something, bottom hand answers. Top hand says something, bottom hand answers. All right, and then the next measure is do, mi in the top hand, and do, mi in the bottom hand. And then the next measure is exactly the same as the first measure, and then they're together. Okay, so this seems like a lot of new stuff, but once you get the hang of it, you'll see that it's not too tricky. So let's give this a try. We are on page 22, and the song is called Pass Around. It's the top song on the page. Here we go. So 1, 2, here we go. Do, re, re, mi. Do, re, re, mi. Do, mi, do, mi, do, mi, do, mi. Do, re, re, mi. Do, re, re. Now together, do, mi. Do, mi, hands together. Okay, let's do that again. This time I'm not going to talk you through it. We'll just play it together. 1, 2, here we go. Okay, as you play this, in all of these pieces, lazy day, bouncing ball, is this the end? Make sure you just double check that the do, re, and the re, mi are straight because they look a lot alike, but they sound different. So you want to make sure you play it the way it's written so it matches the song. Practice pass around, lazy day, bouncing ball, and is this the end? Practice each song with the slow, medium, fast, and pro practice tracks each day. Find groups of 3 white keys on the keyboard that still sound like do, re, mi, and play each of these songs using all white keys. For bonus, play one song while listening to the practice tracks of another song. For example, play Pass Around while listening to the practice track of Lazy Day. Remember to like and subscribe.